How to fix no audio output device is installed in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow these steps. First of all, check the default audio device installed on your computer. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to System, click on Sound. Here is Output section, Speaker. On my computer, Realtek Audio is the default device. Check on yours and note this. This will be needed in the coming steps. So remember this. Close settings. First of all, run the troubleshooter. Click on Start. Go to Settings. Select System. Click on Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Audio is over here. Click on Run. Maximize this. Do we have your consent to run automated diagnostics to try solving your audio problem? Yes. The diagnostic is running. Did you hear the sound beep that played during the scan? Click on No. May I automatically try to update your driver to fix the problem? Click on Yes. Update audio driver manually. The troubleshooter suggests to update audio driver manually. Close the troubleshooter. Right click on Start. Select Device Manager. On the Device Manager, click on View first. Select Show Hidden Devices. Go to Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Click on this arrow to expand the devices list. Realtek Audio is over here. I have already checked that Realtek Audio is the default device in the output section. Make sure that Realtek Audio is not disabled. If Realtek Audio is disabled, you will notice a cross mark here or a disabled icon here. If your device is disabled, then right click on Realtek Audio or whichever device running on your computer and select Enable Device. It is already enabled. So right click on Realtek Audio, select Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers. Close. After that, restart your computer. You may not get this pop-up. Still, you have to restart your computer from here. After restarting, see if the sound is working properly. In case the sound is still not working, then again go to Device Manager and right click on Realtek Audio. Select Update Driver. This time, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Highlight the latest driver and click on Next. Windows has successfully updated your driver. Click on Close and restart your computer. The pop-up may not show on your computer. If the pop-up doesn't show, click on Start, go to Power and select Restart. In case the issue is still occurring, Then again go to device manager. Expand sound, video and game controllers. Right click on Realtek Audio. Select uninstall device. Here click on uninstall. After uninstalling, open a browser. If your laptop or desktop from Lenovo brand, then type Lenovo driver download. Press enter. Open this page. From manual update, click on select driver. Click on audio. Now go to device manager. On properties, go to details and see the name of the audio device, Realtek high definition audio. Download this file. I have already downloaded this file. Click on download simply. Now click on file explorer icon. Click on downloads. Right click on the downloaded driver setup file and select open. And follow the on-screen instructions until the installation is completed. If your laptop or desktop is from HP brand, type HP driver download and press enter. Go to this page, select laptop or desktop on which you are working. Mine is laptop. Type the serial number of the product. If you forget the serial number, click on let HP detect your product. An application will be installed and tell you about your product. After installing, you will see a driver download page here. Click on that and download the latest audio driver. Install that. Do the same with devices from other brands such as Dell, Acer or other. At last, restart your device and check if the sound is working now. If the problem still occurs, then there might be issues with services. So click on search, type services, click on services, find Windows Audio Service, right click on Windows Audio, select properties. Startup type should be automatic. If automatic is not here, click on the drop down and select automatic on your computer. Service status should be running. If it is not running, you will notice an active start button here. Click on that. Mine is already running, so nothing is needed. At last, click on apply and OK. If Windows Audio service is already running, right click on this service and select restart. Do the same with Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right click on the service and select properties. Set a startup type to automatic and start the service. Mine is already running and it is set automatic. So here nothing is needed. Then right click on Audio Endpoint Builder and select restart. Yes. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.